Hello, I'm Gina. Today I gotta make something fast and easy and delicious to eat. Okay? That's I prepare everything. That's I need. I need olive oil. We need onions. That's the onion and the peas. Gotta make pasta with the peas. Pasta peselli. Okay? And that's the pasta. I use this pasta. You can use any pasta. And plus the salt and pepper. And a little pecorino romano. Just to follow me what I'm doing. Just something simple. Okay? Now I start with the oil. This is the olive oil. Go here. You can put the olive oil like this. Okay, that's enough, okay? Now, the first we start with the onions. This is onions. Go here. Now they gotta fry a little bit the onions. Let it fry a little bit this. When this is the fry, you can put a little salt on for the onions. You can put a little salt like this. You start now, for later on we taste. Okay, that's it. You gotta eat, you gotta cook. You gotta eat, you gotta cook. That's it. Okay, the onions is done. And I put the peas. See, that's the... Okay. Let it fry a little bit. Okay, now I gotta put the water here. Alright, this is the water that come here. See, they fry a little bit. They look like this, they fry, see? They look like this. Now we need the water. So when they boil this, we put the pasta. Okay, I think that's enough. A little bit. Right? Now I gotta wait till they boil. This one, when they boil, I put the pasta. Alright? Gotta wait. E l'ora che pia la squilla fede, la notte ci invia dell'ave del cielo. Ave, ave, ave Maria, ave, ave, ave Maria. E viva Maria, viva Maria. You have to keep turn all the time. You got to turn. They got to cook the pasta. I have the water over there. When we need more water, just the water is already boiling, you put over there when we need more. That's why I have water over there, because I know I need it here. Okay, I want to put a little more salt. This another little spoon. Okay. This is a nice, easy for make, fast, and delicious, healthy. Okay, let me see. Now the water, look at the water they go. And when they go like this, you can put more water. You pick it up more water, put over here. Gotta keep it turn. Okay, I think this is done now. You see, the water, it's not too much water. See, not too much water, like this. It's already the pasta is cooked, and now I gotta put this cheese. This cheese will go here. All the cheese. See, that's I like this, like this. All mix it up. Oh, it's so good. All right. They're not supposed too much water. It's like this, just a little bit just. All right, it's done. Time to eat. Okay? All right, look. We make a fast. 1, 2, 3, the dish is here. Look at puri. It's nice. It's delicious. It smells good. Now, we can make a little, you want to make a little more of the pepper, you make a little pepper. You want to make the pecorino romano on the top, like this. E you eat. Buon appetito a tutti. See? A nice dish. Beautiful. Okay? It's a nice, smells good. Yeah. Buon appetito. Very good, delicious, good. You make, this is healthy food for everybody. Okay? And I want to say thank you for watching me, and I'll see you next time, okay? God bless America, God bless. Bye.